All right, in this one, we're going to print some labels for, let's say, a record album organization. So same step as in the last one. If you do not know the process for that, pull up the last video, watch that first part, and then you'll go through here. And to find your labels, you can either search by the first letter or number. As you see here, I'm just hitting a couple different so you can see how it jumps. And once you find your template, go ahead and click the button. So then you can take the data that's in here if you just created one like I did and delete it. And then you can select new ranges to populate with. So we're going to do the genre, group, and the icon. And I want each on their own line. So I'm going to bind the break and hit enter. And then I'm going to get a little fancy with it. I'm going to add some bold font, center justified, and make the label. And once that loads, we'll open it, and you can see that so I don't really like the way these look, so you can go back to the sheet and go back. You don't have to start all over, and then make any edits you want. And because your options are limited, you can always go back into Word, or not back, but once you get into Word, take the customization a little further and select all the text or just the text you want. As you can see here, I'm going to make the titles bigger. I have an extra label here. I only want to print on one sheet just for the purpose of this video, so I'm going to delete that. And I left that part in here because you might have a similar situation, so you can delete that extra one. And then when you go to hit print, just print the pages that you want. So I'm only going to print page 1, so I'll leave it like that. So this is the customization I was talking about. I'm going to scale down the subtitles, as in the alphabetical categories. The genres are going to be bold and larger. And in a second, you'll see me go back to the Excel sheet, grab the icon, I just copy, and then go back to Word and paste it. And then it's going to be pretty large, so I'll scale it down and then copy and paste it into each cell that I want it. And of course, you can do a different one in each that's related to the genre or whatever your application is. This is just an example of how you can customize your labels within these two applications together. And now it's time to print, so you can hit Control Command P or the print icon. Once the print dialog box opens up, you proceed as normal. And remember, if you want to exclude any pages, it's easier just to go ahead and change your print pages instead of starting all over. And I recommend changing the file name, so if down the line you want to print it again, you'll have that saved on your Google Drive already. See you in the next one.